Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. We are continuing our journey on benefit realization management from a leadership series. Today, essentially, we're going to discuss what are the roles and responsibilities within BRM. It's going to be a very short and sweet video. What does it mean to us, roles and responsibilities within BRM? So BRM roles and responsibilities are highly focused and specifically on benefit management activities. The roles and responsibilities applied throughout BRM lifecycle. Right? We discussed BRM lifecycle starts from conception, implementation, and then sustaining. Right? So all throughout the BRM lifecycle, the BRM roles and responsibilities are applied. You can use RAM or RASI metrics to have a clarity of benefit related roles and responsibilities. So this particular picture talks about BRM sphere of influence and its roles. At organization strategy level, the roles influencing the organization strategy are executive leadership, benefit owners, senior responsible owners, sponsors, portfolio managers. At portfolio level, influenced by portfolio managers, sponsors, business analysts, program and project managers. At program level, it is influenced by program managers, change managers, middle management, business analysts, and beneficiaries. At project level, it is influenced by project managers, middle management, line managers, business analysts, right? Beneficiaries and users. So this is it gives an overall picture on BRM spheres of influence and the roles influencing that BRM sphere. So let's go one by one. Let's start with organization strategy and sponsorship. Organization strategy and sponsorship set by the leadership team. In big companies, if you have the PMOs, Program Management Office, or Enterprise Program Management Office, they play a key role in supporting, aligning the strategy, and defining the benefits for each strategies, planned benefits. They play a very key role. PMOs will play a key role at sort of, they might be part of, the leader of PMO may be part of the leadership team as well. There are 5 roles influencing at organization strategy level. The first role is executive and leadership. The executive leadership or top level leadership defines the strategic goals, objectives, and planned benefits. They approve BRM policy and practices. Benefit owners, who is accountable for benefit realization, they implement or introduce measurement methods for benefits and evaluation. Portfolio managers also part of this organization strategy. They establish and monitor and control of the portfolio. So possibly you might try to have designing the portfolios at strategic level. You might have sponsors who authorizing the resources and support initiatives. The sponsors generally engage the middle management. The middle management is supporting the day-to-day operations and they identify, implement benefit sustaining activities at organization strategy and sponsorship sphere. Their role is identify and implement benefit sustaining activities for a middle management. Middle management role differs at different sphere. The same middle management will differ, their sphere of influence will differ in programs and portfolios. If you look at the portfolio roles in BRM, we have roles like portfolio manager, business analyst, and program and project managers are playing a bigger role. The benefit owners and sponsor may be involved at at strategy level as well as the portfolio level. In portfolio, the planned benefits tend to be stated at high level. It may not be as detailed as program or project level. The portfolio can address more than one objectives. It applies to the entire portfolio of the programs and projects. So whenever you talk about portfolio, you talk about the its portfolio and its subset of portfolio, which is programs and projects under that portfolio. The portfolio manager who is responsible for establishing and monitoring and controlling of the portfolio. The business analyst at this sphere of influence, they might lead programs and projects similar to program manager and project managers. Business analysts also might lead programs and projects. Business analysts work to perform activities to support delivery of solutions. They might also work to support the delivery of solutions. The program and project managers, they lead programs and projects. The sponsors and benefit owners we already discussed. Let's look at the program roles and BRM. The program and projects are means to produce outputs. Program should keep BRM plan and register up to date. Right? To ensure that projects within the program integration of the projects are taken care. Any changes in particular project also affects the program, so you need to keep BRM plan and BRM register up to date. Right? The role of a sponsor in program is commissioning the program. The program manager who is authorized to lead the teams responsible for the program, and he or she is responsible for integrating the program components. It's very, very important. There is a change manager roles available at program level. Is responsible for change management, implementing the structured and planned way of implementing changes, structured way of approving it. They may be introducing the change control board, and all the changes are gone via or goes via change control board. Right? The beneficiaries and users who help optimization of benefit realizations. They work with program managers and project managers to ensure that benefit realization is optimized. So due to the changes, environmental changes and everything, so these people get influenced. The final one is project roles. Final sphere is the project roles and BRM. Right? So projects are means to produce outputs. The project is it is a temporary endeavor to create a unique product or service. Right? We already discussed in our pinbox series. The role of a sponsor at project role is commissioning the project. The project manager is responsible for leading the teams responsible for the project and oversee the projects, ensure that project outputs are as expected, which is contributing to the planned benefit. Right? And the business analyst at project level plays the role of requirement management. Apart from supporting the delivery of solutions, essentially the business analyst will play the role of requirement management. Right? There is the role of change management who takes care of change management. There's the line managers or function managers who takes care of day-to-day operations as well as they generally affect the benefit risk escalation to the PMs and sponsors. It's very important that any escalation in the benefit realization need to be escalated by the line managers and function managers. Right? So with that, we come to a conclusion of this today's video. So we got a decent idea about what are the BRM sphere of influence and what are the roles that influence that particular sphere. Right? We talked about organization strategy level, portfolio level, program level, and project level, and how this each roles are playing influencing role at different sphere of influence. Right? So with that, we are come to the conclusion of this video. Thanks a lot for your time and patient listening. I would like to listen feedback on my improvement areas. to improve on my delivery and my content. So hope you've seen in upcoming videos in BRM. Right? Thanks a lot. Bye bye.